This is a shop-made trailer. It's 12 foot 1 inch long. It's 77 inches wide. It's got ramps that slides in. Each ramp slide in on the end. Right here, there's a place for each ramp. This is kind of a heavy-duty trailer. It's got like a 2-inch floor in it. It's got 5-hole wheels. I think they put got a new spare tire on it. It's got a hand winch on it here, a strap with a strap. It's got safety chains on it, ball hitch. The sides on it are heavy tubing. The sides are 9.5 inches tall. This isn't no angle arm frame, this is tubing. This is a nice little trailer. It's shop made with no title.